Today in this video you will learn how to use Image Composable in Jetpack Compose. So let's get started. First we create our project and here I am selecting empty activity. Click on next, name of your project and click on finish. So first we store an image in driver folder and create a vector image. First we create a composable method and name it image example. Now we use column composable here to arrange the elements vertically. Now we use image composable. So here image composable takes two parameters, painter. This painter uses painter resources to load a drawable from resources. So here you can give a description about the image. So here we use painter resources and load the image from drawable folder. And here you can provide the image description. So here we use modifier to styling our image. Now we call the method on preview. Also you here call the method. Now run the project. So here you can see the output. Here we set the drawable using paint resources and we set the fill max width modifier and it will fill the entire screen with width size. Now if you want a circular image, then here we use clip. So here we provide size. So we don't need to use fill max width. Here we define size and clip and here we pass circular shape because we want circular shape. And if you want a border, then use border here. You can provide the color of the border and shape. So here we clip the shape to the circular shape. So entire image will convert into circular shape and we set the border around the image with green color. So border is optional. If you don't want, then you can ignore it. Here I am using border. Now run the project. So here you can see our image is converted into round shape. I've changed the size of the image. Now if you want to change the background, then you can use background and here inside this background you can provide the background color. I want green color. Now run the project. So here you can see our background color is changed here. Now if you want rounded corner shape, then you can use here rounded corner shape. Similarly changed for border. So here you can see we styling our image with the rounded corner shape. Here I am changing my image with vector image. So here you can see this is our vector image with background green. Now we use color filter. So here we use color filter parameter and use color filter dot tint, and with the help of the tint we can change the image resource colors. So here you can see we have a black color and now we change it to red color. So with the help of tint you can change the image resource color. Now run the project. So here you can see with the help of tint we can change the color of the image resource.
Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.